Good morning, my friend. Most welcome my channel. We are coming back again with some scientific news update and some scholarship positions. If you really want to go for the master program, PhD programs, or any type of SART research programs, but you need to scholarships, fully funded scholarships. So you will watch this video up to ends. You will get informations. I'm giving such type of information. Let's start the research study. Scientists are trying to develop artificial embryo inside the lab because it was the very important in the field of medical fields. Is this type of work was going on last 30-40 years to develop a organs, a tissue, a cells inside the lab, so we can need this type of cells when during the patients are suffering from the different problems, yeah, genetic problems, yeah, problem of the heart, lungs, yeah, just like new nowadays is the corona problems. The people who are facing the corona disease are facing the problem of lungs are totally damaged, but if you are the develop such type of lungs inside the develop, so you can transplant these lungs inside the body cells. So we need such type of things. We are going to develop these type of cells from the skins, and we can modify some changes in their genomic structures, and these genomic structure responsible for the formation of the embryonic type of proteins that require for the embryo development. So these cells become embryonic cells. This type of cells called as a pluripotent, yeah, induced pluripotent stem cells. So these stem cells have capability to forms with such type of organs what we need, such like heart, such type of the different type of the lungs, yeah, anything embryonic disease, yeah, people's, yeah, patients, yeah, anyone who was facing such problem in their organs, so you need such type of the replacement therapy, so where we can go and change these things by using lab development organs, because most of the times we are not getting such organs, so people become face the problems and maybe die. Nowadays you are seeing, you are watching what the lungs condition after the corona infections. Corona is causing a totally damaging of the lungs, so we need to be such type of things. Now we are coming back again with the new study. Scientists measured how X-ray bounce the atom order crystalline structure, crystalline lattice, how structures can be differentiated, can be studied by using of the X-ray study. But sometimes atoms are located, sometimes structures we cannot identify by, yeah, studied by the X-ray. So how we can go to understand such things, because most of the times we need some drug formation, just like bacteria, virus, we need a crystalline structure where we can focus a specific target, so identify that structure, crystalline structure. So by using X-ray we study the specific regions, specific position of the atom in that crystalline structures. But sometimes the molecules are too small, we cannot predict the 3D structures. So what will we do for that type of things? In the sense protein cannot grow large enough to solve, scientists are developing new techniques to structure of the proteins. How they can develop such things, this is the one of the best research is done by the some scientist groups, where they find some proteins. This is the one of the proteins I am showing. This is the X-ray in the 3D structured proteins, many advance understanding the how the proteins are. Since some protein cannot grow large like a structure, crystalline structure, where X-ray is working. So if the structure is not growing as enough where X-ray work, so how can you find the structure of that proteins? So in these cases, diffraction pattern, this is the diffraction pattern we are going to X-ray diffraction pattern. So isolate that type of specific location of the atoms, so we will identify their structure and go for the analogy method and identify how we will develop the picture of that proteins inside the structures. This type of science we are doing, we are going on in the words for the specific purpose to understand the region of the specific organ, the specific type of virus, yeah, proteins, yeah, antigens, so we can find specific type of targeting proteins, yeah, drugs we can develop for these things. Now we are coming back agar our last portion is the scholarship section portion, where we are going to discuss about some scholarship, fully funded scholarship. This is maxed scholarship position. If you really want to go for Japan university, study fully funded, either bachelor, master, or PhD programs, this scholarship is one of the best scholarship part in this region. You go directly maxed scholarship in the Google, you can find all the details. The last date of this university, some university in Japan, 18th November, the more than 4 or 5 months is there, so you can prepare yourself and find this your positions in the scholarship and also this offer letter. Then you go for the particular university with fully funded. You a lot of times there, you need to prepare, you make your applications, you need to develop everything and go for the fully funded scholarship with your zero cost. This scholarship covering all of the things what they need to further study and other things in the Japan like country. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and you want to share with your some people who really want to go for such type of things, please do this. Thank you so much.